.NET is a free, cross-platform, open-source developer platform for building many different types of applications. We can use C#, Visual Basic, the functional programming language called F#, C++.NET, Iron Python, and many others to write code that runs in the .NET framework. C# is the most popular .NET language and is generally considered to be Microsoft's flagship language product. The .NET framework has two parts, including Framework Class Library or FCL and Common Language Runtime or CLR. The .NET Framework Class Library is focusing on giving us the ability to build softwares more easier. It means every programmer, before starting any project in .NET languages, should take a look on components and libraries of FCL to find out how much of their programming challenge has already been addressed. One another of main tasks of Framework Class Library or FCL is furnishing the resources to execute programming code written in a variety of compatible languages and even to mix those languages in order to match language strengths to the programming problems. On the other hand, as we already mentioned, the .NET framework provides a runtime environment called the Common Language Runtime or CLR, which focuses on how our program could be executed more easier. The CLR provides services to our program such as security, memory management, and exception handling. Therefore, .NET makes our jobs much easier and allow us as programmers to focus on the fundamentals of programming our software rather than taking care of those tedious details.